get your left foot ready on the G before you start. Yeah, and F, you can play it with the heel. There's a small technique here. When you try to use the pedal board, try to play at an angle, so like this, instead of doing top down like that, because you're more likely to hit a neighboring note. But if you play it on sideway, you're going to be more accurate. Yeah. Anyway, let's add the left hand. Left hand, you will play E, B, A, E. So you don't have to move or stretch your hand. Yeah. Put left hand together with the pedal board. And now we will add the right hand. If we want to play everything together, let's start doing it slowly. Coordinate is to think from bottom to the top. So think about your pedal board first. And then get next chord ready. Yeah. Now here. The next phrase on the pedal board, I have F. And this pattern will be repeated. For the second phrase on the left hand, I have This is a very nice arrangement because basically your left hand move in the same direction as the pedal board. Yeah. They move at the same time and at the same direction. Adding the melody, we can add a melody with left hand to see how it goes. If you wish to, you can also play right hand with the pedal board. Now we can play everything together. So now, and lastly, you have exactly the same pattern on the pedal board. The first two bars are the same as the beginning. And then we will start from the top for the right hand. Everything else stay the same. And lastly, we have A, G, for left hand. On the right hand, basically it's a scale down and then up, and then we jump down. And when you turn, it's nice to use your third finger to play the last note, so you can start straight from the beginning. Now let's play through the whole piece.